huge fan of Prince. My father was a heavy still to this day. Prince fan, that's all he was playing. And I just sat back and just look. I could never tell when it was Prince for me. You know, he had a falsetto. You know, he had this baritone. He just gave you so many different emotions, you know, but I seen the way my father was always connecting with him. And I studied it, you know. You know, alongside of lyricists, I've studied R&B, I've studied soul, you know, to even pop, you know. And eventually all these things, you know, gathered up to how I connect and approach music.